Alright, so now it's time to step into Verve, and that is what I start right there. And with Verve, you have a program that is radically different, radical fun, and let me explain. It's a paint program, and free in this version. I don't know how long, but for now it's free, and it's an interesting little application, very focused on a couple of things that it does. Fully accelerated on your 3D graphics pipeline. It's going through OpenGL for just about everything, and almost everything. But the thing is that you have in Verve a couple of controls that are rather unique. I mean, here we have some size controls for the brushes. That's not too unique. But what we can do is also change the fluidity of it. So if we have a little bit of fluidity, it's actually moving the paint. Right? This is like oil paint here, and a lot of very slick and heavy oils. So we can also go perhaps with very dark paint and do that. And then we can make it go to the point where it's 100% fluid and it just never stops. Or so I thought. I think there's a dry out maybe here. There's the sharpness. That one's drying is off. There you go. Now it's not drying anymore. All right. So what I'll do is I'll just record that a little bit. I'll start with a drying off. I'll make it dark all over. Really a lot of blackness here. And then I'll have a good base in which I can add some bright colors. So let's go and turn this black as much as we can, black all over, or dark all over. Doesn't have to be uniform. It's good to have a little bit of highlights and other things there. But now I'm going to go to a very bright tint, very bright color, and give it full fluidity and no drying. Okay, so let's do one brush stroke from the lower left to the upper right. And then why not do a couple of others too? Like this. That's a big massive wave here. And then I'll do a smaller one. Let's do a small one this way. Look at that. Look at how it's battling it and trying to go against it. Oh, it's just beautiful. That is something. That is really something. Let's give it some reddish. So it still has that flow going, and the thing that I want to do is really use that as a displacement map in Dog Waffle. So I'm recording this right now, and of course I'll convert it, and it will probably at some point convert to a QuickTime. Then I'll extract the image sequences. We've seen how to do that, and then I'll take that into Dog Waffle and do some more things with it. I'm not sure yet which segment I'll use, but you get the idea of the general workflow here. Maybe I'll make these smoke trails here the ones I'm actually using. Alright, so let's go record that.